CYBERCORE X1 comes with preloaded firmware that is accessible via Arduino IDE. However, something might go wrong while you upload your code via OTA, and you end up with the corrupted firmware that won't start and you won't be able to upload a new one. In the previous video, we showed you how to work with the breakout board and upload the code via OTA. But now, we will upload our new code via development board using an ordinary programmer. The board itself is 3D printed and there are 23 pogo pins or spring-loaded pins, 3 stainless steel M2x16 screws and nylon lock nuts are securing the entire construction. Let's connect the board to the breadboard. Next, we will connect all the wires that are required for this process. 3.3 reset and enable goes to 3.3 volts. Then pin 15 to ground and pin 2 to 3.3 volts. To switch between the modes like a new firmware flashing or normal running, we will have to change only pin 0. If it goes to 3.3 volts, then it is a normal running, which means ESP8285 will start with what was already flashed to it. If you set pin 0 to ground, then ESP will boot into firmware flashing mode, and that is exactly what we want. So pin 0 goes to ground and the ground pin also. Alright, next the programmer itself. Let's start with the data. A TX pin goes to RX pin and RX pin from the programmer goes to TX on the module. CYBERCORE requires 3.3 volts and as I am using an external power board, I will connect ground and 5 volts to it and then the board will convert it to 3.3 volts. Open the lid, insert your CYBERCORE so it touches the back wall and close the lid by sliding it forward. Let's open Arduino IDE and load our basic OTA sketch. Make sure that we have an ESP8285 board selected. Currently there is only COM1 and it is not what we need. So connect the USB cable to programmer and head back to the ports menu. As you can see, we have a new port available. If you don't see anything new, it means either your programmer is not working or drivers are not installed. Let's select it and click upload. You should see the console outputs various information and starts uploading your code. Also, you may notice that programmer ERX and TX LEDs are going wild, meaning that something indeed is happening. Okay, it is done. Disconnect the USB cable and set pin 0 back to 3.3 volts. Also, let's connect the LED to pin 12. Then reattach the USB cable. Cool, we were able to successfully upload our code via programmer using the development board. Well, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. That's it for now. Bye.